Let's start with exercise 9.1. First question. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees, you have to just find h, very easy question. So, in triangle ABC, which T ratio are you going to take? This is opposite, this is hypotenuse. You have to relate them. So, it's sine. Sine 30 degree is equal to AB by AC. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. AB is h. AC is 20. Send the 20 there. 20 by 2 equals h. h is equal to 10 meters. A tree breaks due to a storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tower touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. See, we have a tree here. This tree is broken at a point such that the top of the tree comes down. So it breaks and the top of the tree touches the ground. So now this tree broke. They are saying this broken part makes an angle of 30 degree. They are asking us the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 8 meters. This distance from foot of the tree to where top touches the ground, foot of the tree and top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Let's just call this as x, or yes, height of the tree means what? It's this plus this. Agreed? Yes, so let's call this as x and let's call this as y. X plus y will be the height of the tree, correct? See, put it back. X plus y will be the height of the tree. So first let's find x. You know 8. X and 8, what's the relationship? Opposite and adjacent. So tan 30. So let's start the problem. Tan 30 degree is equal to x by 8. 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 8. X is equal to 8 by root 3. Keep it like this for now because it's not the final answer. No need to rationalize right away. Now, 8 is there. You want to relate it to y. Adjacent and hypotenuse. Cos 30 degree is equal to 8 by y. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by y. Y is equal to 8 by root 3 and 2 will go on top. Y is equal to 16 by root 3. Height of the tree is x plus y. 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. LCM is already root 3, leave it as it is. 8 plus 16, 24. Multiply and divide with root 3. 24 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3 ones are 3 eights are. Answer is 8 root 3 meters. Question 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters and its angle is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So first for 5-year-old, what she's doing? Height of it should be 1.5 meters and the angle should be 30 degree with the ground. This is a slide. Whereas for elder children, she wants a more steep slide of height 3 meters. So now she wants 3 meters for the elder children and the angle is 60 degree with the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? This is, let's say, L1, this is L2. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Simple problem. Let us see. So here, first we'll do the little ones. You please write this first, or let me shift it. Yeah. Okay. So what happens first? In this triangle, you have 1.5 and L1, opposite and hypotenuse related. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1.5 by L1. 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 by L1. L1 is equal to 2 into 1.5. L1 is equal to 3 meters. In this triangle, Sine 60 degree is equal to 3 by L2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by L2. L2 is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3. Root 3 ones are root 3s are. L2 is equal to 2 root 3 meters. Slide length of younger children, elder children. Question 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So we have a tower here. Let me repeat. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from foot of the tower. The 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. The point is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Very easy. In triangle PQR, tan 30 degree is equal to h by 30. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 30. 30 is by root 3 is equal to h. Multiply and divide with root 3 to rationalize. And then we get h is equal to 30 root 3 by 3. 1s are 10s are. H is equal to 10 root 3 meters. Question 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above ground. So we have a kite here. It is flying at a height of 60 meters above ground. The string is attached to the kite. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. So the string is tied to a point on the ground. So let's say this is the string. And let's say this is the point where it's tied. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Let's find the length of the string. Assuming there is no slack in the string. What does this mean, no slack in the string? The string is not in this form. This length will be different, this length will be different, right? So they are saying take it like a straight line. This is not a straight line. Okay. So now how do we do this? Again, easy question. In the triangle, so let's say it's PQR. In triangle PQR, this is the height given, so it's 90. In triangle PQR, you have the opposite, you want the hypotenuse. Which ratio? Sine. Sine 60 degree is equal to 60 by L. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 60 by L. L is equal to 60 into 2 by root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3 to rationalize. So you get L is equal to 120 root 3 by 3. 1s are 40s are. L is equal to 40 root 3 meters. That's the length of the string. Question 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some point from a 30 meter tall building. We have one boy here. He is standing, he is 1.5 meters. He is standing at a distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. So right now, his angle is 30 degree. Now he walks towards the building and he is now here. He is to lift his eyes even more. I already explained that concept. It's 60 degree. Find the distance he walked towards the building. They are asking you find this. How do we do this question? Let's say this is x. So this will also be x. Correct? Let's say this is y. This will also be y. I want y. What do I want? I want y. This is 1.5. In this triangle, what will this be? 30 minus 1.5, correct? So P, Q, R, S, T, and let's say this point is U. First I want PT, so PT is equal to 30 minus 1.5. 30 minus 1, 29, 29 minus 0.5, 58, 28.5. So this part is 28.5. Now I have two triangles. Easy. So in triangle PTU, see the triangle 60. I have this 28.5, I need x. So which ratio? Tan. Tan 60 degree is equal to 28.5 divided by x. Root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x. X is equal to 28.5 by root 3. Do I want x? No, I need y. So I won't go to rationalize or anything. I'll keep it as it is. Now, in the bigger triangle, in triangle PQT, tan 30 is equal to 28.5 divided by x plus y. See this? X plus y. We have to solve this. Okay. So now tan 30 degree 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 divided by x is again 28. Okay, there's a fraction, so I'll first multiply and then do. Send x plus y this side. X plus y is equal to 28.5. Continue. X is 28.5 by root 3. How? I substituted this. So call this as 1. In brackets write down from 1. Okay. Plus y is equal to 28.5. Y is equal to 28.5 minus 28.5 by root 3. LCM is root 3. 28.5. See, one method is you take LCM and then remove the root. Your other method is, since 28.5 is common, I'll take 1 by 1 minus root 3 here, because decimal multiplication is too long. 28.5 root 3 minus 1 after LCM. I don't want the root 3 in the denominator, so multiply and divide with root 3. So it becomes root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. Will 3 and 28.5 go? Yes, it will go. How? 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 0.1535 are. So 9.5 into 3 minus root 3 meters. That much is the distance walked. Tan 30, 1 by root 3 equals 28.5 by x plus y. X plus y comes here, it's equal to 28.5 root 3. Let's call this equation 1. Substitute the value of x here. 28.5 by root 3 plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. Send it that side. Y is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Y is equal to, take 28.5 common, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Take the LCM, 28.5, LCM is root 3, 3 minus 1. So you get y is equal to 28.5 into 2 by root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3 because you don't want the root, you want to rationalize. Y is equal to 28.5 into 2 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 and 28.5 will get cancelled. 3 9s are 27.5. 9.5 into 2, 19 root 3 meters. Question 7. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed on the top of a 20-meter tall building are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. First of all, we have a building. On this building, there is a tower fixed. The building height given is 20 meter. I repeat, the angles of elevation of bottom and top of the tower. So, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of the tower is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. This is the height of the tower. Let's call this as D. PQRS. Fine? Okay. So now let's start. In triangle QRS, in this triangle, tan 45 is equal to 20 by D. 1 is equal to 20 by D. D is equal to 20 meters. But I don't want D, I want H. Next, in the bigger triangle, PSR, in triangle PSR, tan 60 degree is equal to PR by SR. Tan 60 degree is root 3. PR is H plus 20. SR is D. We know D is 20. Substitute. Root 3 is equal to H plus 20 by 20. How? From 1. What is 1? Mark it. Just solve for H. 20 will go this side. 20 root 3 is equal to H plus 20. H is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. H is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Question 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. So we have a pedestal here, like level ground. On top of this we have a statue. The statue's height is 1.6 meters tall. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue and top of the statue is 60 degree, and on the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, this is the top of the pedestal, is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. They want this. Okay, let's just take this as D. Let's begin. First label the diagram because you need to tell which triangle. P, Q, R, S. In triangle SRQ, tan 45 degree is equal to H by D. 1 is equal to H by D. D is equal to H. I want H, I don't want D. Okay, so we'll see what to do now. In triangle PRQ, tan 60 degree is equal to this whole thing, 1.6 plus H divided by D. I know that D is equal to H, so I can substitute there. What is tan 60? Root 3. 1.6 plus H, D is nothing but H from 1. So solve for H. H root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus H. Send it aside. H root 3 minus H equals 1.6. H into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. H is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Multiply and divide with root 3 plus 1. H is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Root 3 square minus 1 square. H is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 square 3 minus 1. H is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 0.8 are. H is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Question 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree. There's a tower here and there's a building here. Angle of elevation from the angle of elevation of the top of a building from where? From the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meters high, so they are given tower is 50 meters high. Find the height of the building. Let's take this as D. So A, B, C, D. In this triangle, you know this, so you can find D. Yes? Then once you know D, you can find H. So let's start off. In triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to 50 by D. Root 3 is equal to 50 by D. D is equal to 50 by root 3. I don't want D, they have not asked, so I will not rationalize because it's not my answer. Anyway, in triangle DBC now, tan 30 degree is equal to H by D. 1 by root 3 is equal to H by D. D is equal to H root 3. From 1, what is D? 50 by root 3 is equal to H by root 3. This is from 1. Send root 3 that side. 50 is equal to H root 3 into root 3. 50 is equal to 3H. H is equal to 50 by 3 meters.